Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to access our LightBox books that are interactive ebooks. They help with you teaching and our students with interactive learning. So let's get started. The students will access the ebooks through courses and then the Jefferson Library page, but you as teachers will go through groups and the library resource page. And then on the left-hand side, you'll see resources and select books, and then follow ebooks. Then you'll scroll down a little bit to LightBox Books, and we have these LightBox Books available for you all to use. They are interactive books, and they are unlimited users. That's what this infinity sign means up in the left-hand corner. So it's not just one book for one student at a time or one book for one teacher at a time. So it's infinity use. And so I'm going to focus on To Kill a Mockingbird just to save time. So I would click on it, and when I do, it gives me a brief synopsis of what I'm logging into. And then I would click Login. And you'll use your EPISD credentials, so your EPISD username and password. If it doesn't work for you, please shoot me an email so that I can get you linked to Follett. And then you would click Submit. And then open the ebook. So the LightBox book opens to the cover page, but I would click on Open the LightBox book, and we have these pages that are available to us that are interactive. So this very first slide is the title page and cover, and then this is going to be our glossary, and then it would start with these pages, so on and so forth. Down below are our features. We have pages that have audio attached to them, videos attached to them, first-hand accounts, documents that are linked to the pages, activities that are linked to the pages, web links, slideshows, transparencies, and Google Maps. We also have quizzes. So I'm going to go through this real quick with you, and I'm going to click on the first page of the book. And when I do so, my tools will appear on the left-hand side. And this book can be read. It's read by computer automated reading.
All about Harper Lee, author of To Kill a Mockingbird 1926 to 2016.
But it can be read to the student if we have second English language learners. We also have first-hand account documents that are linked to it. So it'll pull up a separate document with first-hand accounts from various people. You would just close the tab up here at the top to get back to the page. Then there are documents attached to it. So for example, there's this article on Harper Lee. And again, click the tab and it takes you back to the page. And then we also have slides attached to it. The slides and video are going to be very short and impactful to keep the students engaged. And then we also have transparencies. So this is kind of confusing to many people because they don't think anything happens with them. But if you notice the map below, it has the state of Alabama and various locations. If you click on the transparencies and then you click on the arrow going, did you notice that everything disappeared from our map? But if you click on the arrow, it starts appearing. So that's what the transparency does. And then we also have Google Maps. So we can click on the Google Maps and it highlights, I believe this is Montgomery, isn't it? Anyway, the town in Alabama where this whole thing transpires from. And so if you click on it, you get a current Google Maps, and we can actually go to the area of where, what Alabama looks like, so that our kids have a firsthand, view of what the area looks like. So you can go to the next page by clicking the arrow over or going back to home. I'm just going to click the arrow over to go to the next page. And you'll see that we have other tools available. We have web links attached here, and we also have a video. So if I click on the video will appear. It's very short.
What would have been the parts that you...
And it's talking to, with Gregory Peck about the movie. And then we also have web links. So if you click on the web links, it will take you to a link to Monroe County Museum, where they have information on To Kill a Mockingbird and Harper Lee. So current and relevant information that keep the learners stimulated. So I covered all the features down here with those 2 pages. But in order to go to the quiz, if you notice, the page isn't highlighted. But if you click on it and then you scroll up, this will be the page with our quiz. So I'm going to access this page, and then I'm going to click on the quiz, and the quiz appears. The first thing the student will need to do is download the page to their computer. And once they download the page to their computer, then they will need to open their download and fill in their information. And then once they finish the quiz, they would send it to print. Now, of course, they're not linked to a printer, and you're not going to get it that way. So we would go down to our screenshot and take a screenshot of the page, and then they can upload that to your Schoology page or send it to you via email once they take a picture of it. They can do the same thing. Oops, sorry about that. They can do the same thing if you have them do activities. So here are a few pages of activities that they can also complete after they've done the assignment that you've proposed to them. Download it, fill the information out, send it to print, and then attach it to your Schoology lesson or to your email. All right, hope that helps. If you need any help or you want to co-teach these LightBox books, send me an email and let me know, and I will work with you on helping our students accomplish LightBox books. All right, thanks.